So guys, I have already told you there is a philosophical tone through the lines of the poem, and the poet has conveyed a message that break the rule of tradition, custom. Through the last 4 lines he has conveyed that break the rule of tradition or custom and let's unite once again. So this is the message on behalf of Robert Frost. So students, on the basis of today's lecture or lesson, you please note down 5 questions and solve these 5 questions, and when the school will reopen, I will check all the answers. So guys, open your notebook. The first question is, identify the 2 characters in the poem Mending Wall. Identify the 2 characters in the poem Mending Wall. Don't mingle with write the 2 characters. You have to identify 2 characters. In today's lecture, I have already explained you. Question number 2. Why the neighbor wants to build a strong wall between 2 orchards? Why the neighbor wants to build a strong wall between the 2 orchards? Question 3. What is the rational factor which the neighbor utters through the lines? What is the rational factor? Rational means practical. What is the rational factors which the neighbor utters through the lines? Question 4. What does the poet's apostrophe S intense desire about building a strong barrier? What does the poet's intense desire about the building a strong barrier? Question 5. What message Robert Frost wants to convey through the poem? What message Robert Frost wants to convey through the poem? Guys, once again, I would like to discuss with you that the question 3 you have noted down. What is the rational factor which the neighbor utters through the line? Today's lecture, I have told that the narrator is the mouthpiece of the poet and the neighbor is the common man. So the narrator, he doesn't want any wall or barrier or fencing. He wants to abolish any wall or fencing. But the neighbor, he is quite practical. He is rational. That means common man. He wants to build a strong fencing or strong wall between the 2 orchards. That means common men, they are rational. They don't want any conflict, any war or tussle. So that is why they do build the strong wall between the 2 nations, 2 countries. So the neighbor, he represents the common man. The neighbor represents the common man or common people of the world. So what rationalism do you find through the poem or through the character of the neighbor? So here the question is that what is the rational factor which the neighbor utters through the lines of the poem? Okay, so you answer these questions, and I will check these answers, all the answers of these questions, when we will meet. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.